Hi, and welcome to our community. This is a social media style platform where you can use your account to share your makes, connect with other sewists, and use hashtags to explore patterns and materials on our site. I'm Kate from Minerva, and I'll be sure to list my personal profile down below for you to follow me if you're interested. I am so glad you're joining us for today's video. We're going to look at 6 dress patterns from By Hand London that are brand new to the Minerva site. Keep in mind that you can use hashtags to search these designs and sign up for the Minerva Craft Club for year-long savings. Before we get started, I wanted to remind you that there is a great little discount code when you sign up to create a Minerva account. It's totally free and it just opens up a lot of opportunity for you to connect with other makers. Once you've done that, it'd be great if you could take a second and click that little follow button right above this video just beside our name. This just means we'll show up on your feed and you'll catch new videos and posts as they come out. You can also like, share, and save if you like this content. It's all free and it really helps us out. And as always, leave me any questions or comments you have so I can get back to you. And now let's get to the patterns. So we have 3 different adult patterns and 3 different children's patterns of dresses from By Hand London here on Minerva for you to choose from for any of the special individuals in your life. Youth sizing is from 2T to 13, and the adult sizes are actually in 2 different sections. So the UK size 6 through 24 is offered in a B cup, and then there's also the 16 through 24 is offered in a D cup. All of these patterns that we're going to talk about are made for woven patterns, but I do love seeing a good rogue knit fabric hack. First up is the Tamsin dress. This one is offered in adult sizes only. And this is a folk style dress with a gathered skirt, and the neckline actually has an exposed facing. This means you can get really creative with trims, embroidery, beading, you name it. Shaping for this design comes through the princess seams, and then there's also 2 waist tie options. It has these full 3/4 length sleeves with these really unique horizontal pleats or wide pin tucks, if you will. The skirt actually has the same detail, giving a really unique look. You'll want to choose a light to mid-weight woven. And I think I'd probably lean towards more solid fabrics just so those tucks can really be showcased and be the star of the show. Something with a bit more structure might help with that as well. And if you don't know, I'm a sucker for a beautiful linen, so probably that. Next up, let's discuss Anna. This one comes in child sizes and adult sizes, perfect for matching that little girl in your life. This is a dolman style bodice, meaning it has grown on sleeves. And the back zip bodice has these really interesting double pleats that connect to a paneled skirt. The adult version even has an option for this really sexy thigh-high slit in the skirt. Choose between maxi and knee-length skirts for an adult sew, and slash or v-neck options. Lightweight wovens will be best for this make, and I'm leaning to something ultra flowy for a real ethereal look. Maybe some of this polka dot viscose challis, for example? There are quite a few community posts featuring this beauty pattern, so once you go to the product page for the pattern, just keep scrolling down for drool-worthy inspo. Looking for a great wrap dress pattern? The Anna is a simple staple with some added flair. This is another adorable mama and me option with 3 sleeve options and either dress or blouse length. This pattern will last you through so many different versions. The adult sizing has these really unique hem ties on the sleeves that I think are just so striking, and I have big plans to hack them on so many other patterns. The skirt on this one is a gathered midi length option with pockets. No zipper or lining on this one makes it a relatively quick sew with big impact. The neckline on this one could be a little bit low for some people, and if that's just not your thing, choose to add some snaps or poppers in, or you can just adjust the depth of the V-neck to suit your comfort level. Again, you're gonna want a relatively lightweight woven fabric for this one. Of course, I'm drawn to a linen, but I think a really pretty cotton double gauze would be awesome for this make as well. Lastly, let's talk about the little Flora. This design is a square tank bodice style offered in children's sizes 2T through 13. It offers 3 adorable strap options: flutter, tie, or straight. The skirt has some trendy pleats and is dipped a little bit lower in the back for a fun effect. This is a lined pattern with a zip, so it's great for those summer weddings or special events. To get the most out of this skirt, I think I would choose a woven with a little bit more volume. I mean, linen is always an option, but a cotton poplin would be a great choice too. To summarize, any of these patterns would make a great option for you and your little ones this summer. The designs are timeless while still being modern, so you're sure to get loads of wear out of them. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and being part of this community. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy making!